Hello viewers, I am Professor Karunesh Saxena. I am professor in Faculty of Management Studies and also Director of Internal Quality Assurance Cell of my university, which is Mohanlal Sukhadia University, Udaipur. Here I am going to offer you a MOOC program on e-commerce skill enhancement. It's a practical course which is having 3 credits. Therefore, I have divided it into 30 video modules. As per MOOC methodology, I have plans of offering you this program in the 4 quadrants. In the first quadrant, 30 video modules will be made available to you during a span of 10 weeks. In the second quadrant, you will be provided additional learning resources in the form of open educational resources. Scripts of the videos will also be provided to you here. In the third quadrant, there will be provision for discussions and live chat and various forums for discussion among the participants and also with the resource person, that is myself, will be made available. The fourth quadrant will be where the evaluation will be done, and here some quiz, assignments and other multiple choice questions, fill up the blanks, some short essay type, long essay type, such aspects will be there, but the main focus will be on imparting skills, and so small projects will be given to you and your evaluation will be based on your performance in those projects. The evaluation methodology includes 30% weightage on assignments, 30% on practicals and 40% on final examinations. The main objective of this course, which is an elective course, is that to equip students with practical skills in the field of e-commerce so that they can get better employment prospects, and if necessary they can develop their own startups in this exciting field of e-commerce. In the initial modules, we will be talking about introduction to e-commerce, definitions, e-commerce based activities, goals of e-commerce, different technical aspects of e-commerce will be covered. The next we will be talking about what is the scope of e-commerce and how they can be applied to the real field, real life, the e-commerce applications. What is the framework of e-commerce? What is supply chain management and how it works? What are different aspects of the e-commerce in terms of how internet works? What kind of electronic business models are there? And students will also be given practical knowledge on how to design websites. Here you will also be able to learn the design aspects of your online businesses and sometimes how you make your website of e-commerce business functional. We will also be talking about the internet and the role it plays in e-commerce. Students will be taught what is the difference between intranet and extranet. They will also be explained in practical way what is the online payment mechanism, what kind of payment gateways are there, how these gateways work for electronic payment systems, how the visitors to websites can be managed and monitored, how the visitors can be attracted to visit the website in a large number, what are the tools for promotion of websites, sometimes also the security related issues such as what kind of threats are there in e-commerce, what are the security issues and how we can safeguard our e-commerce against these security issues will be covered, and also students will be provided an overview of the legal framework in the form of IT Act and its provisions to curb the cyber crimes.